Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Thank you for watching Kalkine TV this afternoon. Hope you're keeping safe and well wherever you're watching from. My name's Sage. We have some trending news to share with you. And the Federal Court of Australia has ordered Austal to pay a penalty of $650,000 after finding that the shipbuilding company violated continuous disclosure laws. The court also found that Austal's former CEO, David Singleton, was knowingly involved in the disclosure failures. Singleton is ordered to pay a penalty of $50,000. According to the Australian Securities and Investments Commission statement, Austal and Mr Singleton admitted, and the court found that between June 16, 2016 and July 4, 2016, Austal failed to disclose a likely profit write-back of at least $90 million for its 2016 financial year. The write-back would yield a loss of at least $40 million for the company. The write-back meant previous profit guidance from Austal was no longer reliable and should have been withdrawn. ASIC Deputy Chair Sarah Court said that investors who bought shares during the misconduct period did not know the unfavourable information about Austal's 2016 financial year earnings. The court found that both Austal and Mr Singleton were aware of the information about Austal's 2016 financial year earnings and that the information was critical to investors. Austal shares totalling $23 million were traded between June 16th and June 30th, 2016. And today Austal's shares traded at $2.26, being up by 0.44%. This was current at 12:35 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Thanks for joining us on that report. Do comment below if you were affected by that, and please share with us your thoughts on the incident. Please keep watching Kalkine TV for more business updates and market insights. Sage signing off for now.